Yo, Sonny!
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I got a call from a customer. She's having problems with a ceiling fan in the bathroom. Very important you get these fixed. You don't want to get mildew buildup or anything like that. You can see just a little bit was forming. We're going to hit that with bleach, but let's go in and take a look. All right, you got your fan up here. That's a Moen, I believe. They say when they turn on the switch, they hear something like the motor moaning or something. Let's see. You could hear it. It's straining. All right, well, most of the time it's going to be the motor inside. So we're going to open this up. I'm going to show you how we get into it and we do a replacement motor, okay? I was here a couple days ago, proved it to the motor, and we're going to go through the process. Go on to Amazon. You could purchase a new motor. Right here, it's a whole, the entire unit, about $55, okay? I'm going to show you how we replace it. First thing you want to do, turn off the power. It's easy. This one, we turn the switch off, okay? And you're going to just reach in, and this lid literally gets pulled down away from the ceiling, okay? And it's held on by these little metal brackets. So you're going to squeeze it, almost like an old can light. Squeeze both ends, like this, and you get it out. So you lower this down. Let me just put this down quick. Then what you want to do is you got your light housing here. It's a light fixture that keeps the bulb in. So you're going to take the bulb out really quick. Put that aside. You got a little wing nut here. Can you see the wing nut? You're going to loosen this wing nut. Hold on to this light fixture. These are very simple. You lower it. And if you look up here, you have a couple of plugs. You have one for the light, which we can pull out. Okay, you see that? And then the fan here, the fan motor system is plugged in, so you're going to unplug that. Remember, the light is the white plug, fan motor is the black. Okay? Let me lower this piece first. Then what you want to do, up inside this housing, you can see a screw up here. A little screw. It's a Phillips head. You want to come up here and you want to loosen the screw. And be careful because this fan piece comes down with it. Alright, so we get the screw out. Hold on to it. We're going to lower this unit down. See how it comes down? And you can see there's little knobs here. There's like little catchers that go up into the housing and then swings up. So this is the old fan. And what happens with these fans, the bearings and stuff get shot. So you can see it starts to sink down as it spins. If I push this up, you can see how you get this plastic piece and you get it to go up high. It'll spin, but what happens over time, it just sinks down. It's worn out. Some people would say, yeah, you could replace it, put another washer, do something. For $50, we're changing the entire housing, okay? So let's grab the new one. This is the new one. Exact match. So we're going to go up. We're going to put it into those little spaces I talked about, where it catches onto the shelf there. And you're going to put it up and you're going to grab the screw. Hold it with one hand. Screw back in place. You want to tighten this up. Give it a nice tight fit. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do what we did. The way we took it apart, we're going to put it back together. So take your plug it into the black. Okay. Let's grab our light bulb fixture and that little wing nut. You're going to grab this here, plug this into the light plug, and you're going to basically put it on the bolt. Tighten this guy down, grab our light bulb. All right, that's in place. Now we're going to get the cover, squeeze it together inside the little slot. Do the same on this side. You see there's little slots there. Then you're going to push up. And that's it. She's secure. So we're going to test it. Let's see how the motor runs. We're going to turn on the light, make sure the light works. All right, we got light. Now we're going to turn on the fan. And there you go. It's nice and powerful. Quiet. All right, so that's how you change out a motor. Quick, easy, and definitely affordable. You don't need an electrician for this. Troubleshoot it on your own. Just make sure you have the power on. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. What do we got to do now? Yo, Sonny. You in there, Sonny? All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Sonny.
Yeah, Sonny.